Hello guys, Distro here and welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more content like this. This is the CalBank debit card, and today we are going to look at the process involved to obtain one of this card. In our previous videos, we've looked at so many ways to get a virtual card to link to PayPal or to use for transaction online. And in our next segment of videos, we are going to look at the physical cards, how to obtain physical cards in Ghana here. We are going to look at the banks that gives Visa debit cards to its customers. We have already covered how to get a standard chartered Visa card in our previous video, so you can check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. First of all, to get this card, you need to have an active CalBank account. If you don't have an account at CalBank, then I would suggest you open an account there. After that, you head to any of the CalBank branches near you. Go to their customer care section and tell them that you want a CalBank Visa card. They will assist you and create this card instantly for you if you fulfill all the requirements. To get this card, you need to have an active CalBank account, as I said earlier on. And you need to have a minimum of 15 cedis in your account because the card costs 15 cedis. Once the card is issued, make sure to use it to check your balance on their ATM machine to verify that the card is truly linked to your account or it works before you leave the bank. After that, now you can use this card for shopping online and even link to your PayPal account. If you don't know how to link a card to your PayPal account, I'll leave the video in the description below. Finally, you can use the app to check if the card is linked to your account. Let's check the app. Open the app and log in with your details. Then you click on accounts. Now you click on my cards. The card is supposed to show here, but it's not showing. So let's try and link it again and see. So you click on add card. Now it gives you the permission to scan the card or you enter the card details manually. So I'm going to enter the card details manually and see what they will tell me when I'm trying to link the card. As you can see, it says sorry, card has already been linked. So it means our card is already linked to our CalBank account. Now we can use it for transactions and even link to PayPal. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please give it a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.